Hi guys, welcome to a basic HTML tutorial that doesn't make you want to throw your computer off a bridge. So, first thing you need to do is just show your computer that it is in an HTML file. This is the main area where you do your stuff in. Don't forget to close that. And the first thing we can do is our head. Don't forget to slash that when you're ending it. And then in the head, we can do the title. And the title is, like in a Chrome tab, this is the title up here. And for that, I'll just do something simple like Big Chungus. That's the title at the end of our head. And now we can go into the real meat and potatoes of this website, the body. The body is the area that's in here, like this. This is body text. For that, for the first part of our body text, we'll do H1. That just makes it pretty real big. And there we'll just do test. Oh, forgot to, there we go. And then don't forget to end off your brackets, and then we can just do the regular text. Big Chungus. And now, if we save that, html1.h dot, don't forget dot, you need to make it dot html. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And now, if we go to where we saved that, we can open it up into our browser. And that shows this is the title in the head, this is the body, the H1 text, and then the regular text. This has been a basic HTML tutorial that doesn't make you want to throw your PC off a bridge. If you like this and want to see more like it, the best thing you could do, if you just want to do something that helps me without subscribing, you can just watch my videos. That's always helps. But if you want to go a step further, you can always subscribe to. And if you press that notification bell, you can be notified of all my new cool uploads. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.